Not only you could find based on the characters, also you could find based on many formats such as color, underline, styles, highlight, etc. I'm going to advanced find and I clear my text there. Make sure you expand it more. On the find bottom section, we have a button named format. If I click on that, we have the format for font, paragraph, tab, language, frame, style, and highlight. Here I have the most complex. It is bold, red, and underlined. This text it is only bold. This text only it is red. This one it is red and underlined. And this one it is bold and underlined. So if I go to the font, let's say I'm looking for everything it is red. So on the font color, I pick the exact same color. Okay. And on the format, as you see, we have font color red. If I search on here, find text, it will highlight it based on the contiguous text. Next one and next one and done. Of course, I could highlight them all. Allow me to clear. If you don't want to have any specific format, click on the no formatting. Let's say everything it is bold and underlined. So format, font, everything it is bold. Look at the bold here on the font style and includes the regular underline. Okay. And start finding. It is bold and underlined. It is bold and underlined, and it is not a specific color, doesn't matter here because we didn't define. And finished. And let's say this time combine it. Go to the font. Everything it is bold and underlined, and it is red color. Okay, and fine. And we have only this paragraph here. Of course, you could search based on the paragraph anything with a specific indentation, with a specific spacing before, after line spacing, and even on the line and page breaks, something like as it's set for keep with next. You have to click once to enable. If I click again, gonna disable, and click again to get combined. When it is dashed here, does mean it is not important it is enabled or doesn't. It is a combination, anything. Keep with next or without keep next. So that's mean ignorance. But if I something like disable that and press OK, look at here, font bold, underline red color, but it is not enabled keep with next. It has to be don't keep. So by default, they have something like this, a minus, and when you're setting a no formatting, every options like these effects, they all set something like that. For example, instead of searching all caps, it is not exactly, but as an example, if I disable the small caps and press OK, you see no small caps. And although this one also enabled, no all caps. What does it mean? It's not combined with only small or only capital. Anyway, so just as a practice, I add some indentation. Let me set based on the paragraph. Maybe this paragraph and this paragraph has a specific indentation. Maybe the first line, special 1.27. Okay. And now go to the advanced find, format, paragraph, everything with a special, which I mean first line, and yes, 1.27. Okay. All parameters written here, and find the first one and the next one, and there is no more. So everything you could find, like even tabs, steps, leading, even we could search based on language, even frame, as I said, the text wrapping between on the line or around, the specific size, width and height, position, vertical and horizontal, and even is it highlighted or not. Allow me to remove the formatting. So everything here, as you know, the features such as in the font, we have let's say character spacing for condensed or expanded here, or for kerning, for number spacing, etc., which I mentioned before. Based on every parameter you could find and specify.